Welcome to our guide on holiday hosting made easy. Today, we're sharing our top tips for stress-free entertaining. The holiday season is a time for celebration, family and friends, but it can also be a hectic time in the kitchen. Between meal planning, shopping and prepping, the pressure to create the perfect holiday spread can quickly become overwhelming. To help you enjoy the holidays without the stress, here are some kitchen tips that will make your holiday hosting more simple. One of the easiest ways to reduce stress during the holiday season is to plan your meals in advance. Before you even step foot in the grocery store, take some time to really think about your menu and create a detailed shopping list. This allows you to assess what ingredients you have and what you need, minimizing trips to the store. Shop a few days ahead of the holiday rush to avoid long lines and last-minute scrambling. Now that you've got your shopping done, it's time to get a head start on the cooking. Many dishes can be prepared a day or two in advance. Chop vegetables, mince herbs, and marinate meats ahead of time. You can even assemble casseroles and store them in the refrigerator, ready to pop in the oven when needed. Your freezer is your secret weapon for holiday entertaining. Many dishes can be made ahead of time and frozen until the big day. This is a lifesaver when it comes to avoiding the chaos of cooking everything at once. Let's talk beverages. To avoid serving drinks to a crowd, set up a designated beverage station. Provide a variety of drinks, from sparkling water and sodas to festive apple cider and warming hot cocoa. Pre-make a large batch of hot cocoa or a refreshing punch to save yourself time during the event. When it comes to holiday meals, simplicity is key. One-pot meals and buffets minimize cooking and serving time. A hearty pot of soup, a flavorful stew, or a comforting casserole are all wonderful options. Or consider a buffet-style spread with a variety of dishes for guests to serve themselves. You don't have to do it all yourself. Don't be afraid to ask for help from family or close friends. Delegating tasks will make the entire process smoother and more enjoyable for everyone. If your guests are willing, they may bring a dish to share. This will lighten your load and add a personal touch to your holiday spread. With all the hustle and bustle of cooking and preparing, it's easy for the kitchen to become a disaster zone. A clean and organized kitchen is essential for efficiency and peace of mind. Make it a habit to clean up as you go. Put away ingredients you're done with, wipe surfaces, and load the dishwasher. This will save you a lot of time and stress in the long run. Amidst all the planning and preparations, it's crucial to remember the true meaning of the holidays, spending quality time with loved ones. Take a moment to breathe, relax, and savor the festive atmosphere. Engage in heartfelt conversations, share laughter and stories, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you host a stress-free and enjoyable holiday gathering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more great content. From our home to yours, happy holidays.